Hi, I'm Doug from Global West. Thought I'd take a minute here to talk about stock upper control arm shafts on 67 through 69 Camaros, Firebirds, 68 through 74 Novas, Venturas, 64 through 72 Chevelles, GTOs, Buick GS, Cutlass. There's actually a list of GM applications that this particular shaft we're going to talk about fits. I happen to have a Camaro upper control arm here, and let me show it to you here real quick. This is a stock upper control arm with the stock cross shaft. Now, there's a little bit of difference between our cross shaft, as you see here, and the stock one. And one of the main things is you notice we have threads here. We're running a 5/8 fine thread lock nut rather than a bolt. And this is normally how the bushing is held in place. Is you got a bolt here, the washer, holds the bushing in place. And one of the reasons why we want to get away from this situation is because as the suspension moves up and down, what happens is this has a tendency to back this bolt out. And there's several instances where we've had these cars come in and we're looking at it and the bolt and the washer is actually missing. The bushing is like falling out of the control arm. It works itself out. We've actually worked on cars where they've lost the whole bushing assembly and the arm is flopping, you know, and of course the car's wandering all over the place. They got clunky noises and it's not a comfortable feeling. So this is a common problem that we have, or that can occur. And so we build this shaft with the 5/8 here so that when you put a bushing in and press it in the controller and whatever, you can see how that sticks past. We have a washer here and then we lock it down. Well, this large diameter nut is a locking nut, and we could apply a lot of torque onto this shaft, and so we eliminate the condition of this bushing walking out and loosening the bolt and washer arrangement here. We eliminate that condition. So when we do a rebuild, we like to go to a performance cross shaft like this. Now we do make offset control shafts, part number 702, and we do have some videos on that, and you can look at that and do a comparison between the two. But if you're just looking for a standard shaft to put in your control arm, this particular 709 shaft is definitely the way to go because we eliminate this condition. Now this shaft will go with the standard rubber bushings. It'll do the polyurethane bushing, and of course the shaft will also work with our del-a-lum bushings, as you see right here. This shaft is also standard in all of our tubular control arms for those particular applications. This happens to be a Camaro control arm. So again, part number 709, nice easy upgrade, no modifications, keeps everything intact, a nice little package.